of Hastinapur kingdom. He was brave and handsome boy who was loved by all.
Ekalavya, Ekalavya, why are you so unhappy? Why do you stay away from your friends? Are you not interested in anything?
Father, I am interested in archery. I want to become a great archer. I want to become a disciple of Dronacharya.
Dronacharya, the great archery teacher in Hastinapur.
Yes, father.
But is Gurukul only for the prince?
I know, father, we are Shudra, but I want to become a warrior, not just a hunter. Please allow me and bless me.
You dreaming something impossible. Anyway, my wishes is always with you. You can go, my son.
Ekalavya visited Gurukul, where Dronacharya taught the prince of Hastinapur. Pranam Gurudev.
Who are you, my son?
I am Ekalavya, the son of tribal chief. Please accept me as your disciple. I want to become a great archer.
Ekalavya, a Shudrubai cannot become a disciple.
He is a royal teacher, appointed by the king to train the prince. How dare you to come inside? Leave now. You do want to leave me, Gurudev?
Yes.
God has given knowledge to all of them. Why this discrimination? Maybe I'm Shudra. I'm strong and genius. I'll practice the archery and become a great archer. Ekalavya made a statue of Dronacharya with mud. Pranam Gurudev. Bless me, Gurudev. I'll certainly become a great archer. For years he worshipped the statue of Dronacharya and practiced archery. Brave and courage, Ekalavya practiced archery and became an ordinary archer to an extraordinary archer.
Now it's time to rest and eat. Go and bring some fruits and water from the forest.
I will bring fruits, Gurudev. I will bring water, Gurudev.
Ha ha ha! Great feast for me! Ha ha ha! Get ready to be my food!
Help
Ha
me,
ha
help
ha! Mmm! Ha ha ha! Mmm!
me. Help me, help
Ha,
me.
ha,
Save
ha.
me from this monster.
Ha ha ha!
Hey, leave him.
I have get another one!
Oh, this dumb.
Ah!
Thank you for saving me. It's my duty, Prince.
Are you safe? Who saved you?
Only an excellent archer can do this.
He was sharp and strong, Gurudev. He came out of the forest and killed this monster, Gurudev.
Who killed this monster? Show herself for me.
Pranam, Gurudev. I have killed this monster.
Thank you, son. You have saved the life of Hastinapur prince. Your aim is remarkable. From whom you learned archery?
From you, Gurudev.
Me. I have never seen you before. I remember you had visited Gurukul several years ago. And I refused you that you were a hunter by errand.
Yes, Gurudev. After I left your Gurukul, I worshipped your statue and learned archery. You refused to teach me, but your statue did not. Gurudev, you have given me promise that you will make me the best archer in the world. I know this common hunter became better than me.
Someone greater than prince may treat for the kingdom in my promise. I must be fulfilled. I must do something.
You deceived me, Gurudev.
So you have become my disciple without my permission. Where is my Guru Dakshina? You have to give me for training you.
Gurudev, I be the happiest person to serve you. Ask anything. It's my pride to ask anything.
Think again. I may ask you something more. And you want like to give me. What if you refuse?
It will be a great sin, Gurudev. If I refuse, I will never refuse it.
Okay, Ekalavya, you present me. Your right hand thumb as Guru Dakshina.
I know, Gurudev. I can never be a good archer without my thumb. And this is my command. Without any hesitation, Ekalavya took off his knife and cut his right hand thumb. Here is my Gurudakshina Gurudev. I am proud you have made me a disciple, even though I am Shudra.
Ekalavya, you have conquered me with your courage. Even though without your thumb, you will be known to be a great teacher to this world, and I bless you. You will be remembered as a loyalty for Guru.
Krishna was not broken, and due to Dronacharya blessing, Ekalavya still praised as the most loyal and brave student in the epic of Mahabharata.